Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make the Javaccino breakfast burrito. Now, if you're assigned this job during the Javaccino prep week, you're going to be making this for about 40 burritos, give or take. I'm only going to show you how to make one so you get the general idea. So I scaled our recipe down a lot, where I'm going to be making it using a really small pan and an induction burner. If you're assigned this in class, you're going to be using griddle. And because it makes for a lot easier cooking in a very fast, small amount of time, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is you will mix together your eggs. You'll have 40 eggs. I've only mixed together one, and then you're going to combine it with milk. My ratio is I have 1 egg with 2 tablespoons of milk, and I just whisked it all together. You're obviously going to have a much, much bigger bowl, okay? Then what you'll do is when you get ready to cook this the morning of Javaccino, or whenever your teacher specifies for you to teach it, or to cook it, excuse me, you will take 1 whole stick of butter and it will melt on this. You're going to want to rub it all around using, not your hands, some type of turner or rubber scraper, whatever, so it's all coated. Then you'll start pouring it on there, and you'll start scrambling your eggs, and make sure you have a bowl right next to you so as they finish, you can put them all together because the mixture will be mixed together. Later on, we'll be adding cheese and sausage also. So it's a really, really simple breakfast burrito. The key here is that you're making it in bulk, and that's what makes it the most challenging, okay? So I've already melted down a little bit of butter, okay? I'm just going to turn my heat up just a little. I'm going to pour my whole thing in. You're going to want to add yours in batches. Meaning you're only going to want to add a little bit at a time, and the reason why is if you come look, there's this little hole, and the egg kind of comes forward and goes down into this little hole and then comes out the bottom, and then you can't use this because you don't know it's touched. So you only want to do a little at a time, and you want to keep really good hold of the eggs, okay? As you know, when you're making scrambled eggs, you want to move it around, waited for it to coagulate up as it cooks. And you only want to cook it until it's just a little wet. Just like so. Okay. And I think we are good. Okay, so you see how quick it goes with 1 egg. Okay, now pretend this is all 40 of your eggs, and we're going to put them into our bowl, because you will mix this later on, or shortly. Okay, just like so. And then someone else will be, at the same time as the eggs are being made, someone else will be making your sausage. For purposes here, I have a new pan, because I'm going to switch so there's no cross-contamination. Okay, I'm going to heat my pan. And for this, you're just using ground sausage, breakfast sausage. This recipe calls for 5 pounds. I've, again, scaled this down to only use a 1/4 pound, which is 4 ounces. This cooks down a lot, and there is a lot of fat. So where with the eggs, you need to add like a little bit of butter. Here, you don't need any butter, okay? And since the eggs are being made on the griddle, you can make this in a large skillet, maybe even 2, because 5 pounds is a whole lot of meat. Okay, so I'm going to put this right in. Okay, and you're going to want to break it up. If you don't break it up, it cooks it like a meatball. Okay, and you can't break it up after it's been cooked, but it's just easier. Keep a nice little handle on this. And you want to cook it until you see no pink. Okay, so I'm going to keep cooking this now, and I'll show you when it's finished. Alright, so the meat is finished cooking, so it should look just like so. Again, if you see pink, it's not done. And since we are serving this to the public, you want to ensure that everything is cooked thoroughly, okay? So I'm going to mix this right into the egg, like I said before. You can wait for it to cool. But again, if this is done the morning of Javaccino, you want to make sure it's done quickly. I'm just going to mix this up, just like so. And then we're also going to add some cheese. For your recipe, you will add 2.5 cups. I'm only adding 1 tablespoon, so it's not going to look like a whole lot of cheese. just like so. And then mix this up. And then we are going to put it on our tortilla. Each tortilla gets about a half cup, which just fills. I'm just gonna put a decent amount of this in here, like so. Okay, that's kind of a lot. Just so you get the general idea, I'm gonna bring it towards the middle. You're gonna be using like a parchment deli paper to wrap it up. You'll be wearing gloves for this. And fold this over. Fold. And if you find a way that works better for you, that's absolutely fine. Roll over. And you're going to put it right in the corner, like so. Start rolling this. Fold this over. And then continue rolling. And then this will be put into a chafing dish. And then you'll line them all up, and then we'll put it into our insulated carrier. This is also served with our salsa that you have already made at the beginning of in the first unit. And then so when someone buys one, they get one burrito and a little thing of salsa. Thank you.